Hi everyone, it's Mike Weaver, one of the product owners here at Quadratech. I'm here with Doug Davis, our technical product manager for data analytics here at Quadratech. And we're here to talk about some survey responses from the Practical 365 site. I'm a little sad because the survey results are talking about not migration challenges, but people want to learn more about what do you do after a migration. So a lot of people are challenged because they're going from their on-prem systems into Office 365, and now they're a little confused on how to manage that environment. So why don't we talk about that, Doug, and see what we do?
Right. Thanks, Mike. So that's really understandable because one of the biggest challenges that you'll have is that all these tools that you maybe been nurturing for tens of years on on-premise environment don't necessarily map over to an online system like Office 365. So it's a lot of unfamiliar territory, a lot of unfamiliar management constraints, a lot of unfamiliar approaches to how you used to do things. So what you do need to do is start putting some thought together on how you're going to bring all this management back into your IT infrastructure so that you're not, you have this environment, it's nice, it's clean, it's running perfectly, and you don't want to get it off the rails. So you need to really take a really good progressive approach to be able to make sure that have all these systems in place. So you want to have some nice consolidated reporting because you're going to get frustrated with some of the admin center tools. You want to have some delegate access because you're going to find that the delegate access model in online is not as nice as it was previously. And as well, now your infrastructure is no longer in a data center physically somewhere. It's out there in the internet on the Microsoft data centers. So how are those data centers working? Are you able to get to them? So something that we've thought a lot about here at Quadratech, and we put together some tools that basically allow you to consolidate this reporting, monitoring, and delegation aspect so that you keep this clean, nice, pristine Office 365 environment that way, and you're actually rolling out the tools in a way that allow you to manage it just like you had before and had a lot of control over it. So that's probably the main way.
Great. Good advice. I know when I was working in industry, it was always a challenge when new versions came out and all my tools failed. So this is kind of, I think, a big challenge is when you go to the cloud, it's completely different. So like all of those bag of scripts that you used to have, they're completely different. So it's good to hear that.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.